Are you feeling broken after a breakup? Did you lose your true love? Don't worry. From complicated to simple, from broken to healed. Hello everyone. I am Ali, a relationship coach, helping people unlock the keys to successful relationships and create harmony in their lives. Join me on this journey. I know how hard it can be to go through a breakup and see the person you love move on. But don't give up yet. I am here to show you 5 proven ways to get your ex back. Stay tuned and let's get started. Here are 5 magical ways to get your ex back and restore your relationship. Number 1, give them space. One of the worst things you can do after a breakup is to try to force yourself back into your ex's life. Everyone needs time to heal and process what has happened. If you give them space, they may come to realize that they miss you and want to get back together. Number 2, don't be needy. No one likes feeling suffocated, especially after a breakup. If you are constantly texting, calling, or checking in on social media, it will only push your ex further away. Give them some breathing room and let them come to you when they are ready. Number 3, take responsibility. It takes 2 people to make a relationship work, but it only takes one person to end it. If you want to get back together with your ex, it's really important that you take responsibility for your role in breakup. This doesn't mean that you need to take all the blame, but acknowledging your part in things will go a long way towards reconciling with your ex. Number 4, be honest about your feelings. Don't try to play games or hide your feelings from your ex. They need to know that you are sincerely sorry for what happened and that you really do want to fix things between the two of you. Be honest about your feelings and let them know that you are ready to work on rebuilding the relationship. Number 5, make a plan. If you want to get back together with your ex, it's important that you have a plan for how things will change between the two of you moving forward. What are some things that you can do differently in the relationships? What are some things that need to change in order for things to work this time around? Sit down and talk about these things with your ex so that you can both be on the same page going forward. These 5 tips are a great place to start. If you focus on being honest, taking responsibility, and giving them space, you improve your chances of success dramatically. Seek professional help if necessary. If talking things out with your ex isn't working, or if they are just not ready yet, then seek professional help if necessary. Sometimes an outside perspective can be helpful in getting through tough times like this. A therapist, a counselor can help guide you through the process of healing and getting over your breakup. If nothing else, they can provide impartial support during this difficult time. Give yourself the relationship you deserve. Find your path to a fulfilling relationship. Book a call with me today.